Today, I will be sharing a few tips on how you can apply some psychological concepts to plan your journey to success. At this time, I would like to introduce you to a concept called the Johari Window. As I've mentioned before, in order to be personally effective, you need to be self-aware. This means having the ability to reflect on and accurately recognize your behaviors, emotions, thoughts, values, strengths, and weaknesses. Remember that every person already has a brand. You have a brand, and you can choose how to build it, change it, and add to it. Your personal brand results from your personal qualities, your past experiences, your development, and your communication with others. The SWOT analysis has allowed you to identify your qualities and hopefully your uniqueness, while the branding exercise can help you start to build a reputation on the things you want to be known for, and then to allow yourself to be known for them. We have now come to the end of our journey, and it is time for you to start your journey. Remember to adopt a growth mindset, focus on your destination, plan your route, and make regular pit stops to fix problems and refuel regularly.